In this video, I want to talk about how you can send from your Wise to your bank account. Now, this is really easy, guys. What you need to do is open up the app or use the website, click on send, and once you're in here, you just want to select how much you want to send. Now, if you want to send in different currency, you can do that. But if you want to send in the same currency, just put in the same here. I'll just choose two different ones, but you can put in the same one. So if you want to do US dollars, type in USD and USD. Then what you want to do is add recipient. And once you're in here, select bank and then simply click myself. Now this will send it to your own bank and the bank that you provided as your bank. And that way it will do it like that. Now keep in mind, usually there's a small fee on Wise, so you're gonna lose a little bit of money. I don't believe it's very much, but just keep that in mind. And especially if you do a currency conversion. So let me just go back here. So if you if you have only in USD and you want to send it as euro, there will be a bigger fee because of the conversion. But that is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.